Yo, what's up? We just want to give a big shout out to the Blade family. What's up? What's up? It's me, JR.
And it's me, Mica, Javier.
And we have a movie. It's called Songs for Selena. We hope that you watch it. It's in theaters March 18th. Where?
Ayala Theaters.
See you there.
We've been performing together since the 5th grade.
We write all our songs together. I usually start them and then Maya makes them good.
You guys have representation?
Wherever did you find them, Ryan?
Playing in a dive bar.
I think you could be the next big thing.
If she makes you a famous singer, that would make me a professional songwriter. That's the dream, right?
Maybe it's time to close the old girl down.
Work is what I have to do in 4 hours.
You haven't had to sacrifice anything. Are you kidding?
It's actually pretty simple. You won the genetic lottery. That gives you power. It's gonna send you through the stratosphere.
This is what making it looks like for someone like me.
Your songs made Selena an overnight success. No one knows your name.
What are you willing to do to be you?